Chef's Plate recipe calls for 1 1/4 cups of water. Take out the hamburger in a timely fashion, so it's kind of frozen. So while I'm waiting for the water to boil for the rice, I'm going to start cooking the hamburger. So with this recipe from Chef's Plate, it's for curried beef samosa. You get all this stuff that comes with it. You get the ground beef, you get the cauliflower and green peas and all the spices. Okay, the water's boiling now, so I'm going to put the rice in. It's so nice to get everything all in one package. Reduce the heat and cook for 14 minutes. Oh, look! Bonus broccoli. To heat 2 tablespoons of oil, but I find that hamburger has a lot of natural oils to it, so I'm not going to add the 2 tablespoons of oil. It's nice and brown. It says add beef samosa spice mix, and it says to add chili flakes. I'm not a big fan of crushed chili flakes either, so that would be up to you as well if you want to add those for a little extra zing. I'm just going to add the samosa spice mix, and I'll probably only add half of it too, because, you know, they're very generous with this samosa spice mix. It's a shame you're not here because it smells really good. Now that it's cooked enough, I'm going to put it into a bowl here so that I can start cooking the cauliflower. And now it says to add the shawarma blend sauce. And I'm not adding all of that either. I only added about half of it as well. And it says toss, stirring often for 1 minute until tossed. Now it says to add a 1/4 cup of water. And then add the peas. Since I'm not a big fan of peas, I'm just going to add one package of peas. Cook until cauliflower is tender and all water has evaporated. So there we go. In a small bowl, mix the apple cider vinegar, and mango chutney. Now I'm going to mix together the mayo and garlic powder. I mean, these are things that we have in our cupboard, but it sure is nice to get them all in the box or the bag. All pre-measured and everything for you. You don't have to run out and buy everything. Nice rice. Ground beef. And veggies. And now it says drizzle mango chutney. I'm not the best drizzler, but there we go, drizzled. And garlic aioli. And then sprinkle crispy shallots over top. And there's my dinner. Thanks to Carrie and Chef's Plate. It's delicious.
What flavor you taste the most in there?
The mango chutney.
Oh. What about the garlic?
Nope.
What is that creamy sauce? This one here?
It's called garlic aioli. And it's very easy to make. It's just mayonnaise and garlic powder. Learned something new today.